Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. This is the tuberose plant. And in a short video, we told you that our tuberose plants were not blooming anymore after it flowered once. And because of that, we took some special care of the plant. So in today's video, I'll be telling you all what kind of special care you should take of your plant when your plants are not blooming anymore. As you can see here, our plants are very healthy and has many green leaves. That's why the first step is to remove all of the unnecessary leaves. This is because when you have unnecessary leaves, all the nutrition that you give to your plants goes to the leaves instead of the buds. Also, one more thing that you should keep in mind is that to get more leaves and healthier leaves, you need to give nitrogen to your plants. And for flowering, you need magnesium, calcium, potassium, phosphorus, etc. So if you have many leaves in your plants, it is better to decrease the amount of nitrogen-based fertilizers that you give to your plants. So it's better not to give leaf compost, tea leaf compost, as these have many amounts of nitrogen in them. Also, another important thing you need to look for is weeds. Make sure to remove all the weeds from your plant. Otherwise, the weeds will take all of the plant's nutrition and the plant will not be able to grow as healthy. After cutting the extra leaves, we are going to dig the soil of the plants. Time to time digging of your plants is very crucial. This is because digging the soil of your plants helps in aeration. Also, if you dig the soil of your plants before giving any fertilizer or manure, it is the best as the soil can absorb the nutrients more efficiently. Now we are going to give a fertilizer to our plants. But as this is the rainy season, it is actually better not to give any fertilizer, as the fertilizers will just go down the drainage holes when it rains, and our plants will get no nutrients at all. But you already know that the tuberose likes a little moist soil, so we can regularly give liquid byproducts of our compost bin, and you can give it time to time instead of watering your plants, as this will help in watering your plants as well as fertilizing your plants. But before giving, make sure that you dilute it well. Do you know it is actually very good for your plants, as it contains all kinds of micro and macronutrients, and it will also help in the flowering of the plants. Instead of this, you can also give 5 to 10 ml of bioenzyme in 1 liter of water. If you want to know how to make bioenzyme, make sure to check out our channel. We already have uploaded many videos on how you can make bioenzyme. And do you know only 1 liter of bioenzyme can last the whole year? Yes, and bioenzyme is also beneficial for your plants in many ways. And now the third thing that you can give is that compost dilute. All you have to do is that make sure that you have some compost and then dilute it in water. And then you'll get this liquid. Just simply give this liquid to your plants. You can actually give this instead of watering, as while watering you're also giving your plants some nutrients. Oh, and after doing all these steps, don't forget to keep your plants in a sunny area. Sunlight is very crucial for your tuberose plants. And after doing these few steps, we noticed that our plants are again having many flowers. If you're also having the same problem, make sure you follow these steps. Then your garden will be also having many flowers. That's it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you liked this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.